all these products that I got from Amazon. I'll link them for you guys. So yeah, doing this video left me really frustrated because things didn't come out how I wanted it. I woke up early to do this video because I wanted to get it out of the way before my son woke up, and that did not work because he ended up waking up earlier. My husband was also getting ready for work, so everybody was moving around and it got really hectic. I wanted to do this video by the window to get good lighting, and so the position that I was in, it just is not what I wanted. But you know, enjoy it for what it is, guys. When I hear people say that content creation is easy and doing videos is easy, I just laugh. I'm like, are you serious? Because it is not. Planning, the preparation, and making sure that things come out the way you want. It's time consuming, exhausting, and frustrating. Okay. I also had this nail color that I painted a couple days ago. It's supposed to be instant gel nail, something from Sally Hansen, and I ended up it ended up being stuck on my nails, and I was using regular nail polish remover, which did not take it out all the way. But so I was like, you know what? I already set up everything. I was ready to do this video today. I'm like, I might as well just go ahead and do it and post it to you guys either way, because starting all over was just gonna be too much of a hassle. So that's why you see my nails kind of reddish because of that. Yeah, so in general, just it's not what I wanted, but you guys enjoy it for what it is. And I'll see you guys in the next one.